If you work on a project with other members, you can create a team project that allows multiple users to edit a file simultaneously. Each team project has two parts. The first part is a central project document stored on the Axure cloud. The second part is one or more local copies of the project, each copy belonging to team members. When you are a team member, you first check out all pages from the Axure Cloud project file, then check the edited pages back into Axure Cloud, and then your teammates check out all changed pages from Axure Cloud. After editing, they check in all changed pages. To create a blank team project, click File New Team Project or File New Team Library on the menu bar to create a new team project or team library. At the top of pop-up window, you can choose to create on Axure Cloud or your own server. Then enter the team project name in the name of the new workspace. Then click the Create Team Project button to create it. After successful creation, you can save the team project file locally. After successfully saving, you can invite users through email or make the URL public. Then click Open Team Project File button to edit the file. If you accept someone's invitation or create your own team project, you can get a copy of the team project by selecting File, Get and Open Team Project in the menu bar. Then select the team project file from Axure Cloud. After getting a copy of the team project, you can save it locally. Click on the Open Team Project file to open the GOT document. You can see the blue dot on the right side of the page, which represents the checked-in status. Click on the blue dot and select Checkout to check out the page. After checking out, the blue dot on the right will turn into a green icon. Others cannot edit it anymore. If you only want to get the changed content from Axure Cloud without checking out the page, please select Get Changes. If you want to check out all pages, click Team Checkout Everything in the menu bar. To check in the page, click the green icon on the right side of the page and select Check-in. After the check-in is completed, the green icon on the right changes to a blue dot. If you want to check in all contents, click Team Check-in Everything. If you want to send changes to the cloud without checking in to maintain a checked-out state, you can click Team Send All Changes in the menu bar, select the page you want to send, and click OK. If you want to get all changes from the cloud without checking out, you can click Team Get All Changes.